So what we have right here is the lemon lime flavor, and what you guys are gonna see in a little bit is the actual taste test with my whole family. So stay tuned. We got the energy drink samples right here. What's going on, guys? We're back on the energy drink grind, and it is going well. Today is the day of all days. Super excited. We're about to go unbox the actual energy drink samples and get started on this project. Now, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go do it with my brothers and my dad. Stay tuned. You guys are gonna watch the whole thing, see what we think about the drinks. So I'll see you in the next part. Guys, how's it going? We are unboxing our energy drink right here. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. And again, this isn't the full branding, anything like that. It's just the taste test. And that's the note back.
So fancy.
Very cool.
You have to do that outside.
Oh, didn't see you guys there. You still watching? Place is kind of nice, huh? Very simple. Soda water. I think strawberry juice. Here it is. Lemon juice. Yeah, you're right. Any one more? Well, we're half there. What's up? Little consolidation. Everybody have touch? Oh, you get it, Alex. It's liquid gold. Alright, so it's kind of like a spin drift. Alright, so it's just soda water, strawberry juice, lemon juice, and caffeine for the most part. And then L-theanine. That's it.
Very light.
Are we supposed to go ahead?
Yeah, it's very light. First time testing.
It's good. It's like soda water.
You know what? That's light. Light stretching. Zero dreading. Yeah? What do you think?
Doesn't taste like Monster, doesn't taste like Celsius.
That's the goal.
Doesn't taste like, what's the other one?
Red Bull. It's really
Update, doesn't taste like Update. It's not sugary.
refreshing. Blossom? No. This is so much better than Blossom.
I just came to the realization that some of you may be new here. So I wanted to introduce myself. How's it going, guys? My name's Hayden Ralph. I make content for you guys so you can see the journey of entrepreneurship and the different things that I've got going on in my personal life and business life to help you achieve your goals. So a little background about me. Started a company called Jump Forward Media. That company markets aesthetic practices and franchises all over the United States, and it's going pretty well. Now, my next big project is this energy drink brand, and it's been taking a long ass time, and it's a very slow process compared to my other businesses. So that's what you're watching right now. Stay tuned, but I just wanted to give you guys an update for those of you that don't know me.
Goes down easy.
I do like that one. What do you think, Hayden?
I give it an 8 out of 10.
I like it. It's good.
Anyone not like anything about it?
No.
No?
A little tart, maybe. I would do a little less.
A little less sour.
Yeah, it is a little sour.
There you go. Boom. All right, boys. Remember one thing. If they tell you you can't do it, you go out and you do it anyway. Okay? Ooh. You want me to go on this? All right, guys. Thanks for watching this episode of Building an Energy Drink Brand, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Mahalo.